Hi everyone! In today's episode I will rate your works on my discords. My discords are creating since 2021-2022. I don't remember when I creating that Discord channel. First Discord I created myself. Second Discord create my friend Signal, and we make as two discords. In the first discord we have over 100 people, and the second discord we have over 60 people. That is big. So in this episode we rate your works and eventually some guides, some tutorials how to improve your graphics. So if you like this video, I'm very happy when you leave the like, leave the subscribe, and maybe download my some GFX package on my website PyHip. Okay, don't long after we go to the rating. First one is football poster with this player. In this side I will show the rate, and in this side I will show eventually improves because my English is not very good and I don't know any words in English at now this time, so I don't can tell us what I mean in this improv, but I very try to do it. So this text is very not good because red color in this graphics show in very often, and this red text are connecting in the background color, so we don't look at the text so in the first look, but in these posters in the Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, it's very important to look at the text first look, because text are information us about next match, next event, next something like information. And the very important large text, are you white or black? In this situation better choose in the text white, black. Okay, logo. Okay, maybe some bottom, not like top. A date, and this peak that's like is not good. Maybe text like a white color, and text change to the resolution and change the position maybe on the bottom, something like that. A player, what is this glow? This glow is fucking shit, and I very recommended to delete it and not use it for future graphics, because that look no impressive, looks so terrible, and don't use for future graphics now. Background is very good. I very like orange lights in the background and red gradient text in the background, but red, blue, cyan connectivity, maybe not. For this graphic I have very strong 5. Okay, this graphics is better than other, but we can some alerts. Better word for alerts in Polish, tips. Okay, we have the player on this graphic is very don't connectivity for other elements in this graphic. This player looks like you have paint and add some layers and put it now in, don't making with this anything, you know what I mean. This player need to some camera raw, some dodging, some effects in the layer styles, and maybe to buy more connectivity in the background. Texts are good. Maybe this text day I make that some parts are behind the game. We got them 3D effects. Puszcza, ten napis Puszcza, Stal Mielec are good, logos are good, background very good. 10 about 10, but all the graphics I rate strong 7. Okay, this graphic, I don't have good opinion, because renders are not well placed, not well injected in the background, and that cup trophy is I know it's a cartoon version, that's no really trophy. I prefer to add really items to football graphics, not cartoon effects and animating. That logo almost to extrude from this blue panel, and white blue panel we have for Betis, green panel we have for Chelsea. I will swap this because it's very better better look. Just it. My English is very low level. I'm sorry about that. My exam for English was 60%. I don't explore it. Okay. Wrocław final 2025. Okay, that's good. Light 5. We have thumbnail. And we have some problems with that thumbnail. What problems? We have don't edit background, very not good quality background, not good quality arrow. That's render is so 400p, and the quality that's it's normal for 2K8, 2K10, not 2K25, 26 even. Wow, this thumbnail is so poor because I have some improved colors. Maybe change the background on the right side for more colors. Text we have to add some lifestyles from my lifestyle tutorial past 5 days ago. Maybe better arrows. I have some arrows in my 100 thumbnail pack. You have like that. Render, of course, you don't improve that because it's not possible, but you can change and search, found some better renders. Okay, this thumbnail is so too. Okay, that's thumbnail is good example for very good style, because we have all topics are to here connected. We have the good size of render, good size of theme panel, and maybe some commands. These commands in the Polish mean give us vodka 0.7 liters. It's some 0.1 gallons in the English American, I don't know for real. Okay, color of background is dark, is gray, very good for this thumbnail. We have a very contrast panel. We just look every item in the thumbnail. Every item in the thumbnail is good looking for us, is good quality, and my very opinion is strong 9. I got Euro 2024. Okay, we have Lewandowski render. In this time is good. Maybe some blur are not necessary in this example, but okay, we can close this eye for this example. I really like these panels, arc knockout stage and maybe penalties this mean, and very like these panels because but we have some dark blue, not necessarily like blue light like this example, and this text we can just without rotate, without perspective, so just normal text, normal stylish text. But this thumbnail is very okay. Low 8. The last graphics what I rating in this episode, like this this graphic. And we have to Mbappe and Cristiano Ronaldo with the brushes from FIFA 18, maybe FIFA 17, I don't remember. FIFA 18 in this card. Okay, in this connectivity for the card from FC24, but I don't remember that card in FC24, and I supposed to think like that fun custom design. This graphic is very good. Why? We have good color connections, good color on the render. You look, that's like Mbappe. We have purple color floating on the neck, it's very good, and blue color floating on the neck in the right side. It's very well connection. To Ronaldo we have two, and some effect are glasses. Okay, that's not bad. Yes, it's very good. I can add to this graphics strong 9, maybe slightly improve the background, slightly improve the renders in the camera raw, but it's very good. Like, okay, we ending this video. If you like this video, you can like this video and subscribe my channel, and of course sending your graphics in my discords, and I maybe record second episode like that, and I rating your works in the next episode, and I very recommend it to sending. Link for the Discord in the description. I'm Dante, and bye.